Hey everyone! Welcome to Balboa Park in sunny San Diego. If you only have a day to go on a walking tour, consider this your playground. This isn't just any park. It's a 1,200-acre wonderland of culture, nature, and history. Whether you're here for the museums, the gardens, or just to find a quiet spot to read that novel you've been pretending to finish, Balboa Park has got you covered. So strap on your most comfortable walking shoes. Time to hit the road and explore Balboa Park. The first stop is the Balboa Park Miniature Railroad. This railway might be small in size, but it's definitely big on fun and has been delighting visitors since 1948. With its 1/5 scale model trains, it's like stepping into a toy wonderland. Only this time, you get to be part of the action. The train ride covers a half-mile loop that takes you through 4 acres of beautiful Balboa Park. As you chug along, keep your eyes peeled for some of Balboa Park's hidden gems. The train cars are designed to look like old-fashioned steam locomotives, complete with a conductor's cap. Let's enjoy the ride and take in the sights. As you wind your way through the park, you'll see everything from colorful flower beds to towering trees. It's like a botanical garden on wheels. The miniature railway is a favorite among kids and kids at heart, making it a must-do for families visiting Balboa Park. After taking a delightful ride on the Balboa Park Miniature Railroad, it's time to dive into a lush oasis of greenery and blooms at the Botanical Building and Lily Pond, one of the most iconic spots in Balboa Park. To get there, head south on Village Place and take a right turn on Old Globe Way. It's about a 5-minute walk. So close, you could almost smell the flowers already. The Botanical Building and Lily Pond is one of the most photographed places in San Diego, and it's easy to see why. With its breathtaking architecture and lush greenery, it's like stepping into a postcard. The Botanical Building was built for the 1915-16 Panama, California Exposition and houses over 2,100 permanent plants. Home to a stunning variety of plants, from exotic orchids to towering palms, it's like a mini rainforest right here in San Diego. And it even features one of the largest lath structures in the world, providing the perfect balance of sunlight and shade for the plants. The Lily Pond is home to a variety of water lilies and lotuses, and it's a favorite spot for photographers and artists alike. The gardens around the Botanical Building are maintained by a dedicated team of horticulturists and volunteers, ensuring that this oasis remains a vibrant and welcoming space for all. After basking in the beauty of the Botanical Building and Lily Pond, it's time to meet some dinosaurs and explore the natural world at the San Diego Natural History Museum. To get there, head east along El Prado, then take a right onto Village Place. It's so close, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to get there. And here you are, the San Diego Natural History Museum. Affectionately known as the NAT, this museum is a treasure trove of natural wonders, from dinosaur skeletons to gems and minerals. The NAT's collection includes over 8 million specimens. The NAT is home to some incredible dinosaur skeletons that'll transport you back to the Jurassic period. And the museum's paleontology team is constantly discovering new fossils, adding to their already impressive collection. There's also the Gems and Minerals exhibit, where you'll find sparkling gems, dazzling minerals, and even a giant geode. It's like walking through a treasure chest. Next, check out the diorama exhibits, where you can see lifelike representations of animals in their natural habitats. It's like a mini safari right here in San Diego. The dioramas are meticulously crafted to ensure accuracy and detail, making them a favorite among visitors of all ages. And lastly, the NAT offers interactive exhibits where you can conduct science experiments and learn about the natural world. The museum's interactive exhibits are designed to inspire curiosity and creativity in visitors of all ages. So roll up your sleeves and get experimenting. After venturing through time and nature at the San Diego Natural History Museum, you might want to make a short visit to the desert garden to check out those spiky succulents. It's just a short walk east of the San Diego Natural History Museum. After admiring the resilience of those desert beauties, it's time to get our culture fix at the San Diego Museum of Art. To get there, head west on El Prado and you'll find the Museum of the Art adjacent to the Lily Pond. This impressive museum is home to an extensive collection of works from around the world, spanning centuries of art history. The museum's facade is inspired by the Plateresque style of Spanish architecture, making it a masterpiece in its own right. If you're feeling modern, explore the contemporary art section. From bold abstracts to thought-provoking installations, this gallery is a playground for your imagination. And did you know? Contemporary art often challenges traditional boundaries, so if you find yourself asking, is this art? The answer is probably yes. The San Diego Museum of Art also offers interactive exhibits where you can unleash your inner artist. From drawing stations to digital art displays, it's a fun way to get creative and maybe even discover your hidden talent. Next, step outside and explore the museum's sculpture garden. With its beautiful outdoor setting and impressive sculptures, it's like a mini art park right here in Balboa Park. The garden features works by renowned artists such as Joan Moreau and Henry Moore. So take a leisurely walk and enjoy the art al fresco. After being awed by the artistic wonders of the San Diego Museum of Art, it's time to find some zen amid the bonsai trees and koi pond at the Japanese Friendship Garden and Museum. To get there, head south on the Plaza de Panama. The Japanese Friendship Garden is inspired by the landscapes of Japan and symbolizes the friendship between San Diego and its sister city, Yokohama. The garden spans 12 acres and features koi ponds, bonsai trees, and traditional Japanese architecture. Once there, check out this tranquil koi pond. The colorful koi fish are a symbol of perseverance and strength in Japanese culture. Koi can live for over 25 years and are known for their beautiful patterns and colors. Next, revel in the intricate artistry that are the bonsai trees. Bonsai is the Japanese art of growing miniature trees in containers, and it's all about harmony and balance. And did you know? Some bonsai trees can live for hundreds of years, passed down through generations. It's like a living piece of history. And you relish feeling zen. The garden's rock garden, also known as a karasansui, is designed to evoke the essence of nature through carefully arranged rocks and raked gravel. The patterns in the gravel represent water and are raked to create a sense of flow and tranquility. Let's take a peaceful moment to enjoy this serene space. Lastly, visit the traditional Japanese tea house, where you can experience the art of the tea ceremony. It's a beautiful ritual that emphasizes mindfulness and the appreciation of the moment. After finding tranquility in the Japanese Friendship Garden, it's time to reach for the skies and explore the wonders of flight at the San Diego Air and Space Museum. To get there, head south along Pan American Road East. It's about a 5-minute walk. So close, you could almost hear the roar of jet engines already. The San Diego Air and Space Museum is a treasure trove of aviation and space exploration history, featuring everything from vintage aircraft to space capsules. The museum is housed in the historic Ford Building, which was built for the 1935-36 California Pacific International Exposition. Time to dive in and take flight. First things first, check out the vintage aircraft. The museum's collection includes beautifully restored planes from the early days of aviation. And here's a cool tidbit. Some of these aircraft were actually flown by famous pilots and played key roles in aviation history. It's like stepping into the golden age of flight. The museum's space exhibit features models of spacecraft, interactive displays, and even a moon rock. And here's a fun fact. The museum's space exhibit was designed in collaboration with NASA, so you know you're getting an out-of-this-world experience with this exhibit. If you're feeling adventurous, the museum offers interactive flight simulators where you can experience the thrill of flying a fighter jet or landing on an aircraft carrier. It's like being a pilot for a day. So take the controls and see if we have what it takes to be a Top Gun. And lastly, visit the Hall of Fame, where you can learn about the pioneers and legends of aviation. From Charles Lindbergh to Amelia Earhart, these trailblazers made history with their daring flights. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of America's finest city. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.